Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Flip 4 off and unplugging everything. This protects electronics and keeps connectors safe. Next, flip the speaker so the rubber base faces up and remove the small adhesive cover. Using a Phillips #0, carefully remove the visible screws and place them in a tray. Once done, use a plastic pick and spudger to gently pry the rubber and plastic seam. Work slowly to avoid tearing the gasket or damaging clips. With the shell open, you'll see the battery pack and PCB. Take a photo for reference. Locate the battery connector and, using a plastic spudger, pry the connector straight up. Avoid twisting to prevent board damage. Once disconnected, peel back the adhesive tape holding the battery. If adhesive is stubborn, warm it slightly with your hand or a hairdryer on low to loosen glue. Carefully lift the battery using the tab, making sure no ribbon cables are still attached to the board. Place the replacement battery into the bay, aligning the tab and contacts. Press the connector down until it clicks, because a poor seat causes failures. Reapply any original adhesive or new tape to secure the pack, then lower the shell and refit screws loosely first, then tighten evenly. Once reassembled, power the speaker briefly to confirm operation before fully tightening. If it does not power, power off and reopen. Inspect the connector. Look for bent pins.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.